The span looks correct from this angle.
We need to check the foundation.
Watch the alignment on that rig!
This spacing needs to be exactly 500.
Mark it down as approved. Lower it down, steady now. Lock it in place! Easy now, bring it down.
The tension on these cables looks perfect.
Just adding a final quarter turn here. Steady, bring it down! Steady on the left. Alignment looks good. Lock it in right there. This line is perfectly straight. Steady, hold it right there. Connecting the live wire now. All right, give it everything you've got. All right, give it everything you've got. Perfect, we are good to go. Let's check the tension on these cables.
They seem within the margin.
Perfect. Perfect, we can proceed with the concrete pour tomorrow. Let's get this area cleared off first. Copy that, I'm on it. Everything looks good up here. She's holding up perfectly. Let's verify the barriers.
Surface friction looks within the required limits.
Lights are operational, and this bridge is ready.
This megastructure stands as a testament to human ingenuity, seamlessly connecting people and places for generations to come. Every day, thousands of cars cross this bridge, but few notice the details beneath them.
At night, the city becomes a living network. Every light is a story, moving in perfect harmony.
This newly completed overhead bridge stands as a testament to modern engineering. It seamlessly connects the surrounding landscape, ensuring that traffic flows smoothly.
This mega bridge stands as a testament to pure transformation.
More than just a connection, this structure represents a harmony between modern engineering and the natural world.